the best thing to do on a wet, gloomy day like today? I think go to Kmart and check out all the new home organisation and storage products for 2023 to help us get organised.
It just has what I'm grateful for, what I'm proud of this month, what I have learnt this month, and current mood, mind, body and soul. They've also got another section for notes, and then things like your priorities, your goals for the weeks, and what you're grateful for, and just some other little mindfulness things. I really love this diary, and I think it's an absolute steal at a bargain price of $12. They also had this self-care diary for $5, and this also had what I'm grateful for, today's focus, and how you're feeling. We can just tick the boxes, what you want to do tomorrow. And the only thing I didn't really like about it is I noticed that all the pages were the same, which is not for me, but for $5 I think it's a pretty good buy. Shopping lists are really good if you are a person that remembers to take your shopping list to the supermarket for $3, and they've got the magnet on the back so you can pop them on the fridge, and it's actually divided into the sections of the supermarket, so it's super easy for you to find what you're looking for when you're at the supermarket. They also had these other ones here which were just basic general to-do lists. And they also had this like diary type sticker book, which had like lots of like little motivating things on it as well as just little cute things for you to be able to organise with. So yeah, it just makes it stand out and makes it a little bit more fun if you like to sort of decorate your diary and things like that. Now, I shared this budget planner in my latest home haul video because I actually bought it for my niece for Christmas because she's moving out of home and it's the first time she's ever had to, worry about utilities and stuff like that. So this is a great way to be able to track it, especially if you're one of those people that likes paper and you're not very computer savvy, or you just like having, diaries and things like that. And another $5 journal was this health and fitness journal. And this is just good for anybody who wants to track their health and fitness. And I really like this book. I'm actually into the health and fitness stuff at the moment, so this is pretty cool. It's just a way of tracking your mood, your sleep, how your eating patterns, your drinking patterns, all your exercise and things like that. So if you don't have an app on your phone or you just prefer pen and paper, this is a great option. They also had this life admin planner. So I've never seen anything like that there before, but it's pretty much just a to-do list. So you've got your daily to-do list there with all your spots. There's lots of different spots, which is good to see. And then there's discussion points for meetings or ideas. They had some really cute desk calendars in this really nice, like muted Australian sort of colours, you could say, like the native sort of colours, which I really liked. And then they had other ones too, which were more of your like minimalistic ones if you're into something that is a bit more plain and minimalistic. Now, if I'm remembering rightly, these were a 2-pack, these Oak Look ones, and it has just to make today count. And then on the other one, there was just your to-do list of your morning, evening and night. And these, I love the oak frames, and I love that rainbow pattern, which is completely like the arch pattern, which is really on trend at the moment. If you know me, you know that I love white. These were $7.50, and they were all stackable. And then they had these other ones as well, which were in a different shape, which are again stackable. And then they've got ones that were sort of like that magazine typey size, and then you've got the rectangle ones in like a medium and a wider, like larger size. They have the wheels on the bottom, so they're really good for those deep places in your pantry and stuff like that. And they're just really like well made and quite sturdy as well. Now these fridge organisers have been around for a while, but I hadn't seen this one. This is a larger one. It's actually got a divider in it as well, which I thought was really cool. This here is literally the handiest trolley. I was spewing it didn't fit in my washing machine part, like literally one meal. And then they've got these metal expandable organisers, which I think will be also great for big like little handbags and clutches and things like that. If you're loving that chrome metal sort of like look, there is a heap of different ranges in sizes. These were $10, and yeah, just super durable. And you know, being able to get something all in the same sort of colour palette is just looks so much more streamlined in your pantry area. Another product I shared on my home haul, which was this magnet coat hanger rack for only $10, and I really love this product. I had to have it myself. I love that these are back again. They weren't at Kmart for a long time. They went out, but yeah, I just think these are great for anybody who needs that bit of extra space in their laundry and they don't either have the money or you know, they're in a rental. They also had these here, which actually on clearance at the moment. They weren't at the time, but since I've recorded this, they are actually on clearance. So if anyone wants to pick them up, again, the metal baskets are super sturdy, but they're all sold separately. These S-hooks are amazing for saving space in the wardrobe. I've seen many people using them to hang their jeans, and also they're good for hats and little things like that. And then you've got these space-saving hangers, which you've seen me use. I actually use these to group all the like dresses and stuff that I never wear, but you can also group your outfits in them as well. So that's super handy for organising as well as space saving. This little bamboo shoe cabinet is pretty cool with the holes, so it'd be great for ventilation if you need your shoes to have a little bit of ventilation. And also I think it'd be good for even like using it as an alternative for like kids' toys and things like that. Then they've also got other like wardrobe things that you can actually buy from there now. So again, if you are sort of in like that rental property place where you can't put things in, then this also might be a great option just if you need that extra storage. And you can have these with the doors, they're sold separately, or without the doors. This one here I really liked as well because it's actually got a drawer in the bottom, which is completely different to any of the other garment racks that they've really ever sold. Now this section is absolutely rocking right now. I love it, and you can use it for so many different things rather than just all your makeup. So you would have seen in my kitchen organising video, I actually use the drawers in here to organize some of my spices and things. And then in my Kmart hacks video, I actually shared how you can organize all your teas and coffees in one of these as well. So definitely check that video out if you haven't already. These were my favorite bamboo organizers of the day. This one here is a smaller one, but I love the fact that it's got the drawer to hide things away in, but then you've also got the little department at the top there where you've got all your little dividers. Now, if you're after something a little bit more sustainable than plastic organizers, they do have a great range, and this is one of my favorites as well, which was the Lazy Susan, actually, with the dividers in them. So definitely a great buy and super strong and sturdy.